Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and today I'm showing you how to host an image from Google Drive, full 2026 guide. If you've been looking for a simple way to turn any Google Drive image into a direct link you can embed anywhere, this video will walk you through everything step by step. To start, head over to Google Drive and make sure you're on the home page. Once you're in, open up Drive so you can browse your files. From there, pick any image you want to host and open it so the preview loads. When the image is open, click the Share button to adjust the permissions. You'll see it set to Restricted, so open that option to bring up the visibility choices. Switch it to Anyone with the link, which allows the image to be publicly accessible on the internet. After that, select Copy Link so the shareable URL is saved to your clipboard, and then press Done to close the window. Next, go to gtdo.com in your browser. On the page, paste the link you copied from Google Drive and click Create Permalink. The site will generate a clean, direct URL version of your image. When the permalink appears, click Download just to confirm the link is active and that the image loads properly. And that's it. Your Google Drive image is now fully hostable, and you can use the permalink wherever you need. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new guide.